Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. Let me introduce you to your new favorite sandal.
I am always on the hunt for comfortable and fashionable footwear, and so I was super happy to find these sandals. Being a little older, I do require a little arch support. After a long day, my back does start to hurt, but no more with these. In comparison with a very popular brand of flip-flop, you can see the difference here in the base of just how much cushioning and arch support is included in the Plaka sandal, while also still looking really fashionable. Fashion and comfort is a win in my book. They also accessorize you as well with a little toe ring that gets sent attached to the flip-flops. I do also love the fact that you can adjust the straps on this sandal. You can slide it up and you can just make it however you feel comfortable with. So I really appreciate the versatility in this as well. And also, in addition to this, these cords are super soft. There's no sharp edges underneath. I've had many other sandals that look really comfortable, but then you realize that their finishings aren't well. These ones are super smooth. I haven't gotten any rubbing or blisters at all while wearing them, and I wear them a lot. They do have a really nice tread on them, so they are designed to be worn at the beach or around water, so you know you won't slip. And then once again, you can just see how nice and supportive this arch is.
So guys, I adore these shoes. They are so comfortable. I will never be going back to regular flip-flops. I highly recommend them, but that's just my point of view.